Now the 6.3 is not just the tip, it's the whole shaft, and that makes it really thin. And by having such a thin shaft, you can actually access almost any ureter. Hi, I'm Dr. Vineet Gauhar, and I'm a principal resident physician working in Ding Fong Hospital, and we do about 2,000 cases per year in urology. And my focus is mainly on kidney stones and prostate. In Asians, where we find that the ureters are much smaller compared to Caucasians. So we would want to go small, and small is good. Now HugeMed has revolutionized the technology by inventing the 6.5 French scope. Now the 6.3 is not just the tip, it's the whole shaft, and that makes it really thin. And by having such a thin shaft, you can actually access almost any ureter. It's also made it advantageous that you don't even have to pre-stent the patients. Advanced technology is to look to see how we can take the access sheath, which is a flexible and navigable sheath, in different parts of the kidney. So typically we used to pre-stent all the patients because we were worried if we use a very big access sheath or a very big scope will cause damage. However, now we realize that we don't need to pre-stent the patients. So now we can actually go in with an access sheath because a 6.3 scope pairs very well with the 8.5 and a 9 French access sheath, or even a 10 French access sheath. And the deflecting ability, as it allows us to bend in all directions. And very importantly, they have a very interesting feature that after bending, you can actually rotate the scope. And by the rotational mechanism, the scope tip rotates. And this is extremely useful when you're inside the PCS. I've recently done some really challenging cases, and those cases had kidneys which had infected systems, and one of the kidneys had, the ureters had a very infected ureter causing many polyps. Now these are certain specific situations where we definitely want to go small, and 6.3 now gives us the ability to visualize exactly, precisely, clearly what we are doing. Inside the infected systems, using the aspiration sheets, we find that the vision is perfect to remove all the infected material, leave nothing behind. In the ureters which have polyps, as you can see, it's really important to make sure there's no trauma. So we can go without any access sheet, using just a 6.3, visualize and then look at the lesions. Not only that, we find this to be a very big advantage in working in children and extremely hydronephrotic kidneys. In those kidneys, deflecting the scope, if you're using an aspiration sheet along with the sheath, is really challenging, especially in the lower pole. The tip is very strong, the shaft is very robust, and you can really deflect actively and passively. So that's one big advantage, especially in the lower pole. And by having the rotation feature there, we can actually negate all parts of the kidney, which is really hard in hydronephrotic kidneys. We also found it very advantageous that when we withdraw the scope for aspiration, the stone follows very well, because 6.3 and a 9 French gives you enough space between the kidney and the scope to allow the water to flow out, and the irrigation is very good. And good irrigation means good vision, good control of pressure, good control of the stones flowing out, and also the dust and debris clearing out. So all in all, I think the 6.3 is a very big revolution to the scope industry. To have a working channel which is 3.6 is the big benefit. Not compromising on the quality is its salient advantage. And I definitely will advocate using this in almost any case.